Okay, Michael, we're going to keep the messages of love going. And you're actually going to show us how we can use the second template. Maybe we don't want to use a video in our messages of love. We want to use some images. And you're going to take us through how we can do that in Instagram.
That's right. So yeah, this is a fantastic template that Trish has created for us. But what we can do is we can make this our own and make it look really authentic. So you can see here I've got my picture in the middle here. And if I want to replace this picture, you can see if I click it, there's the little blue box that comes around. And then I want to right click. So the important part here is you could delete this and put a new image in, but then you have to figure out the formatting and all that kind of stuff. So the easier way and the best trick to do is just right click this and go replace image right here. Now you can find it from your drive or any photos you have. You can do that, or uploading it from your computer. That's all good. So if you have a photo lined up that you want to put in there that you've already got saved, do it absolutely. If not, let's go to search the web. So if I want to go search the web, and you can see I've already got food bank here, because that's what Jesus would probably do, right? He would be given to the poor and given to the people that need meals at this time. So a food bank would be a very good one. So you can see here there's some volunteers and masks. I think that's a good one. So I can just choose that one right there, and I can say replace. And you can see once it does it, it is
Yes.
perfectly in line with everything. So I don't have to do anything. I don't have to format. I don't have to resize or anything. So that's a fantastic way to replace. Just replace. Don't delete.
Oh,
So
I
that's
love
a
it.
good
Okay,
tip.
Michael, I have a question. I have a challenge. That was really cool to
Sure.
see a square one. Can that work for the little images that we have for our avatars? Will it keep the circle?
Oh, very good question. Because yes, I want to make this my own. And this is an image here, again, that I want to replace, right? So instead of trying to figure out how to make this circle and make it small again, I'm going to do that same trick here. And I'm going to right click and I'm going to say replace image. And then this one, I might go to my drive because it's an image of me. So if I want to go here, I can, oh, there's one right here that I can replace. And here it comes. Eventually, it's going to replace it. And there I
Oh,
am.
so
And then it
easy.
keeps all the formatting. And then of course I want to change my name and all of this. So I can say, my name here, and you can change where you're from. I'm going to put Edmonton here. So you can change all this up just like that. And then that makes it easy so that you don't have to figure out all that formatting with the pictures, because sometimes that can be a little tricky, right? So those are we've replaced those two images. But the last thing here too is you can also add username and comments here, just like we would see in a real Instagram post. So you can change things here too, and you can see that I can change that to my name down here. Oops. And then you can change this also. So like change this message of give to the food bank, something like that. And then you can have a lot of fun with this, right? So now it's your turn. See if you can come to the Instagram and replace those images and put in your own picture, put in your own messages of love for the social media, just like Jesus would do, and see if you can have some fun with that.
Oh, I love this, Michael. And I love that we can take images of our own. We can have videos if you still want to insert a video right here on
Yes.
Instagram as opposed to just having a picture. You can do that too. And don't forget, when Michael was showing you replace image, one of the choices was a camera. And so if you just want to be able to take a quick picture with your Chromebook or on your iPad, however you're doing that, you can absolutely use that and it will take your picture too. So have some fun, give this a try, and then in our next video, we are going to show you how to share the love with everybody else. See you soon.
Nice. See you.